the fifth thermodynamic process is adiabatic process. So adiabatic process, it is a process during which there is no transfer of heat from the system or to the system. So therefore for adiabatic process Q is equal to 0. So here the figure shows that PV diagram of an adiabatic process. So the heat transfer to the system or from the system is prevented by carrying out the change rapidly. That means there is no time for exchange of heat. And the example of the adiabatic process is puncturing of an tire or a balloon. So these are the examples of the adiabatic process, because in adiabatic process there is no transfer of heat, that is Q is equal to 0. And for an adiabatic change, delta U is equal to minus W. Delta U is the change in internal energy. So here why work done is negative? Because the system is compressed adiabatically. That's why the work done is negative. That means work is done on the system, and delta energy is positive. That is delta U is positive. Means the internal energy of the system will be increases. And when a system expands adiabatically, at that time the work done is positive and internal energy is negative. Means the internal energy of the system is decreases. Okay, so this is the PV diagram of an adiabatic process. So in adiabatic process there is temperature. In adiabatic process the temperature will be increases when internal energy increases, and the temperature will be decreases when the internal energy decreases. Thermodynamics of adiabatic process. So for adiabatic process we have the equation PV raised to gamma is equal to constant, or it is equal to C, and this is equation number 1. So here where gamma is the ratio of specific heat at constant pressure to the specific heat at constant volume, and gamma is also called as adiabatic ratio. So for moderate temperature changes, the value of gamma is 5/3 for monoatomic gases. For monoatomic gases, value of gamma is 5/3. For diatomic gases, value of gamma is 7/5, and for polyatomic gases, value of gamma is 8/6 or 4/3. Now, as we have seen earlier, when a system undergoes an adiabatic change, at that time its temperature and internal energy both the changes. Okay, so the change in internal energy is given by delta U is equal to CV into delta T, and this is equation number 2. Now the total work done is given by, total work done is what? W is equal to integration of Vi to Vf into P dV. So using equation number 1. So what is equation number 1 is PV raised to gamma is equal to C. Okay. Now here P is equal to what? P is equal to C by V raised to gamma. Now substitute the value of P in this equation. W is equal to integration from Vi to Vf P dV. Substitute the value of P. Therefore W is equal to C. C is constant, then keep it aside. C integration from Vi to Vf dV by V raised to gamma. Now take the integration of 1 by V raised to gamma into dV. 1 by V raised to gamma into dV. Therefore, so here V raised to 1 by V raised to gamma is at denominator. Then as numerator it is v raised to minus gamma. Now take the integration of v raised to minus gamma into dv. So in mathematics we know that the integration of x raised to n is what? It is equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, so therefore what is the integration of v raised to minus gamma? So integration of v raised to minus gamma is equal to v raised to minus gamma plus 1 divided by 1 minus gamma. C into bracket v raised to minus gamma plus 1 divided by 1 minus gamma, bracket complete, and v changes from vi to vf. V changes from vi to vf. Now substitute vi and vf in this equation. Therefore w is equal to c into bracket vf raised to minus gamma plus 1 and divided by 1 minus gamma minus vi raised to minus gamma plus 1 divided by 1 minus gamma. So it is equal to, so here c in bracket c into vf raised to minus gamma plus 1 divided by 1 minus gamma and minus c vi raised to minus gamma plus 1 divided by 1 minus gamma, and say this is equation number 3. So from equation 1, so what is equation number 1? Equation number 1 is PV raised to gamma is equal to C, or you can write it is equal to PI VI, that is initial pressure and initial volume raised to gamma, is equal to PF VF raised to gamma. Now substitute the value of C in this equation. Substitute the value of C in this equation. Therefore W is equal to what? W is equal to C is PF VF raised to gamma into VF raised to minus gamma plus 1 is as it is, minus here C is what? C is PI VI raised to gamma into VI raised to minus gamma plus 1 is as it is, divided by 1 minus gamma, divided by 1 minus gamma. Therefore the final equation is W is equal to what? Here Vf raised to minus gamma into Vf raised to minus gamma, Vf raised to plus gamma into Vf raised to minus gamma get cancel. Therefore Pf into Vf minus here also Vi raised to gamma into Vi raised to minus gamma also cancel. Therefore you can write W is equal to Pf Vf minus Pi Vi divided by 1 minus gamma, and or you can write W is equal to 1 by 1 minus gamma into Pf Vf minus Pi Vi. So this is the final equation of thermodynamics of an adiabatic process.